Hey everyone, welcome to another SEO tutorial. You may have been on a Facebook business page and seen that there's a new feature, which is services, where businesses are attracting new customers, new clients, because they're putting their services right into their Facebook page. This can also help with your SEO and ranking because you're putting in more recent and relevant content. All right, so let's see how this is done. If you click on the left-hand side for services, you'll see that the page loads with all of the services that you already have, and you can also add a new service. Just click on that. We'll add a photo. Once you go to your file browser and find a image you want, it will look like this. Okay, we'll say use photo, and we'll just say test repair. All right, and you see you have 40 characters that you can use max. The price is optional. Of course, that's up to you and how your business plan is. The description, we can see that we have a choice of up to 600 characters that we can use. Now we can turn on, of course, the different hours and minutes that we would take for this service. But if your business is the type that maybe needs that flexibility, you can click here and you won't have to take a exact time. All right, of course, we're going to leave this show service so that it is open to the public. All right, we'll click save. That'll add it right there. All right, I hope this is helpful in you adding new services to your Facebook business page. Check the description below for more helpful information.